guys, welcome back to StarMax Energy. This is Enya. I have been out on the road in the past few days shooting a brand new video series, Enya's factory supply chain tour. I visited several battery manufacturers in person and I just got back to our office. In today's video, I want to share my thoughts, takeaways, and real thoughts from this trip. The full in-depth factory tour footage of sales manufacturer is already in post-production. I will upgrade and drop those detailed videos for you guys as soon as possible, so stay tuned. First and foremost, the biggest realization that is energy safety is never absolute, it's only relative. In the energy industry, whether we are talking about the lithium battery, sodium battery, or even the solid-state battery, there is no such thing as 100% perfect safety. If you chase absolute zero risk, the only solution is to not use energy at all. That applies to every energy source, gas, oil, even the most basic firewood. I visited multiple sodium-ion battery manufacturers on this trip. If you have seen industry advertisement or checked the AI or ChatGPT generated content, you will notice they all hype up sodium-ion battery as ultra safety, but that's a misleading oversimplification. Sodium-ion battery only have a higher thermal runaway temperature compared to the lithium-ion battery. That means they are safer in regular scenario, but not indestructible. Under extreme conditions, for example, direct exposure to the open fire, sodium-ion battery will catch fire and falls. No exception. My second big takeaway, that is, the best battery product is the one that fits your need, not the one with perfect paper parameters. Stop obsessing over one or two missing specific. Let's be realistic. There is no perfect hydrogen battery in the market right now and also in the future. You can't have ultra-safe cost, ultra-long cycle life, ultra-fast charging and discharging rate, ultra-wide temperature range, absolutely safety, and full environmental friendly all-in-one product. Every battery is a trade-off. To exercise a one or two core performance, it has to sacrifice other features. There is no all-rounder, no exception in one energy sector. Let me share a real case to prove this point. Early this year, 2026, a Finland company claimed they have achieved the world's first solid-state batteries with insane specific 100,000 charge and discharge cycles, 5 minutes ultra-fast charging, high energy density, and even a low production cost. The second I saw this news, I told my colleague immediately, this is definitely a fake news. Logically, it doesn't add up at all. First, 100,000 cycle lives and ultra-low cost are two contradictory metrics. There is no profitable business model to support this combination. How could the company possibly make money? Second, fast charge inevitably causes wear and tear on battery cells. No battery can sustain the ultra-fast charging for 100,000 cycle life without severe degradation. It's physically impossible. And later, the tools came out. Their so-called next generation solid-state battery was actually just a high-nickel NMC battery with the rebranded packaging. Last but not least, I want to talk about the industry development and the technology iteration. No new energy industry can raise overnight. It takes massive manpower, material resources, and financial investment to grow and mature. Right now, sodium-ion battery technology is still in its early stage. It still has a long journey ahead before it can reach the same level of the maturity and industry scale as lithium-ion battery. We can actually reference the lithium-ion battery industry 10 years ago. Let's look back at 2015 and 2016. Back then, could anyone imagine a single lithium-ion battery cell could reach 1,000 ampere or even 2,000 ampere for a single battery cell? Could we focus a 40% drop in battery's cost? Or that the energy density of the lithium iron phosphate battery would jump from the 120 watt-hour per kilogram all the way up to now 200 watt-hour per kilogram. This is exactly the power and the charming of the technology process. It always involves break limits and surprise us all the time. That's all my thoughts for today. If you are interested in battery technology, industry trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification. I will be uploading for full factory visiting vlogs and in deep dive industry analysis soon. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.